Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faye watching us here again. So today's video will be a bit different and something I have been thinking about a lot lately. Yes, so I'm going to be sharing why I'm quitting my job for YouTube, sort of. So stick around to find out what's really going on and what this means for the channel. So I know it sounds a bit drastic or dramatic, quitting my job for YouTube, but here's the twist. I am not really leaving my 9-to-5 job. Instead, I am taking a leap of faith with the YouTube. I mean, I am going to be doing things I have never done before. But why the big reveal? Like, why am I coming out to say this? So I have been working at my 9-to-5 for 8 years now, and it's been great. I love my job so much, but there's always this part of me that wants to dive deeper into YouTube. I know I have not been very consistent, but I love creative content. People around me already know that, and I love connecting with people, with viewers, but balancing this with a full-time job has not been easy. Recently, I've been thinking about my YouTube career, my future, and I really want to pursue it. I realized that YouTube isn't just a hobby. It's something I am deeply passionate about, and I want to invest more time into it. So here's what is really happening. I'm not actually quitting my job, but I'm making some major changes. I'm going to be dedicating more time to creating content, investing in better equipment, and exploring new content ideas. So this means that you'll be seeing my vlogs. Yeah, get ready for that. You'll be seeing reviews. You'll be seeing a lot from me in general. I'll be taking this channel to the next level, and I cannot do it without your support. So this is where you come in. So you expect to see new content from me every week. I'm talking every Tuesday and Friday. You see content from me. You'll see better production quality and some new exciting projects like collaborations with other YouTubers, and of course behind the scenes of my creative process. So I'm excited to share this journey with you, and I really need to hear feedbacks from you. So I would like to hear the ideas. I'd like to get requests. Please drop them in the comment section below. I will be very happy to do your bidding. And I know this might seem like a big change, but it's all about making my passion grow, following my passion and growing with it all the way. I know YouTube is not easy, but one thing I am very sure of is that consistency pays off. So if you're excited for what's coming up, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you do not miss anything. Trust me, you would enjoy the ride. Thank you for being part of this amazing community. Thank you for being part of my YouTube journey, and here is to new adventures. So see you in my next video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.